Okay, Charlie. You scorch the orc, and I'm going to pound the goblin.
Really? You go that a pounding? You're just pushing buttons. Boop, 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 boop. A true fighter needs to be part of the action. Like this. Boom! Boom! I just ruptured your liver. Boom! Clock! Clock! Oh, I just closed your windpipe. Now, if someone comes at you with a giant sword, everybody underestimates the kick to the groin. What? Oh! Ding dong, ding dong. Oh, why? If you love MMOs, but are sick of boring and repetitive combat, then join me and countless others in the only MMO with true action combat. Here you have to learn to stomp the ribs, stomp his face, because this is real action. This is Terra, baby. Bonga da, bam, boom, knockout. Bam! Are you an MMO foe?